Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great day or you're having a great day. So I might check in, I actually would check in somewhere in the vlog with you guys, but before then I wanted to give you guys a little some intro. Okay, so this vlog is mostly going to be a silent vlog because I was with my partner and I wanted to enjoy the moment. So I got footages, but I couldn't really like check in a lot with you guys because we're with his friends and his friends. Yeah, I just wanted to warn you guys that this is going to be a silent vlog. So my boyfriend planned for us to go to London this weekend because I have never seen London. I actually arrived in London Heathrow, if you've seen my travel vlog, but apparently London Heathrow is like outskirts of London. It's not really London. If you want to say you've seen London, you have to see London. Okay, it was actually his friend's birthday weekend as well, so this vlog is going to be my experience in London for the first time. Before we get into the video, why are the tubes so noisy? Hey, I mean, I've sat in Chocho before. Chocho is like the public transport in Ghana, but those tubes will burst your eardrums. Okay, before I go to the train station, I got my nails done because I just finished my first term of grad school and I needed to get myself together. I started feeling like myself again, and guess what? I got to the train station 2 hours early. Me and Nadia got to the train station 2 hours early because I wanted to prove a point. But yeah, she's called Nadia, Stephanie. Okay, I'm going to meet him in his city and then we're going to leave from his city to London together. So I hope you guys enjoy this silent vlog. I love you guys so much. I have a Q&A coming after this video for the 4K special, so look out for that, hopefully on Sunday. I love you guys so much. So hi guys, I started a vlog out already, but I don't think I've spoken to you guys, so I'm just quickly going to introduce the vlog. Hi, I'm Stephanie. Welcome back to a new vlog. We're going to London for the weekend. I'm here to catch my train and I had to isolate in the train station because I'm shy. So I came to update you guys. I'll talk to you guys when I'm in a non-crowded area.
I think I love you. Don't let me get in the way. Don't let me stop you, girl, from doing your thing. Cause I don't deserve you, no. I don't wanna hurt you, play with your mind. You're running in circles, don't let me get in your way, yeah.
It ain't even a puss, I got your mind. It's usually a one-way thing, but baby girl got mine. Perfection is the formula when me and her combine. Like penny to the corner of your finger looking fine. Anytime I'm sure that I can please you, squeeze you, we need you like you need me. And don't mislead you, love's free, but treat it wrong and pay the price, get down on one knee. That bitch gon' be with half your life, man, believe me. I ain't gon' feed you bad advice, slipping's easy. So don't forget to strap up tight, right? I'll be selfish if I kept you so. I love you enough to let you go. Cause on the other hand, I couldn't take it if I put all I got in you, cause someone got you naked. You work hard for money, but it's harder when you make it. These chicks coming fast, hit your half car,
I think I love you. Don't let me get in the way. Don't let me stop you, girl, from doing your thing. Cause I don't deserve you, no. I don't wanna hurt you, play with your mind. You're running in circles, don't let me get in your way, yeah.
What type of nigga would I be to hold you up? You need someone to hold you down and wreck your life's fucked up. I gotta shake you out my system, cause what the fuck it ain't listening. All your emotions next and puts me in a tough position, baby. What am I supposed to do? I can't control my actions when I'm close to you. We've been way too long, girl, we're overdue. I guess the cake ain't enough, you wanna eat it too. See me and you, have a magnet in between that keeps pulling me close. I'm like an addict for your scream. You're fully loaded, closer, automatic with the beam. The baddest on the coast, I got to have you like the green. Your swagger's more than most. I got a sex drive that won't allow me to lax. Bring on the next 5. Look how they crowd on my lap. Booty breast thighs, keep your boy relapsed and back. And you deserve way more than that. I'll just fall back.
I think I love you. Don't let me get in the way.
You great? Are you filming yourself? Don't mind me, I don't want my drink anyway.
I think this is for incoming, this is for outgo.
It's my love for my grandmother make me gentle when I care for you. Tell me you're falling out of love, breaking my heart in two. I just don't want to live in bad.
It's still very thick at the bottom.
Almost like it didn't happen to make you happy. You telling me you're falling out of love for me. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I do. It's my love for my grandmother make me gentle when I care for you.
Really should just stood there.